Vietnam Rubber Entire International 2019 exhibition is taking place in Ho Chi Minh City. The exhibition introduced many high-technology machinery with solutions for rubber, plastic, and coating industries. Participating in the exhibition, Nhật Minh Equipment and Chemical Company and Nguyễn Quỳnh Anh Company introduced new equipment to apply advanced technology from Wallace from England, who is manufacturing Plastimeter, aging oven, and Muni Viscometer, specialized Muni software for natural rubber, for quality management departments to test important indicators such as PO, PRI, and Muni, and Preformer and Freeze Trim from Barwell Global in England. NQA is showing R&D equipment for weathering testing and color fastness testing for coating and ink, plastics from Q Lab USA and Labtech Thailand, who are attracting many visitors that are concerned with quality control requirements according to international standards. The products of Nhật Minh and NQA have been used in many companies, rubber factories, paint companies, plastic factories, and testing centers across countries worldwide.